Did you know that the average person consumes about 23 pounds of ice cream each year? Well, get ready to up your ice cream game because today we are diving into a 3 ingredients wonder that's about to change the game. And for those seeking the perfect tools and tips, check out blogginggoodfood.com, your go-to source for kitchenware reviews and culinary wizardry. Now, I know what you are thinking. Homemade ice cream? Really? But trust me, this recipe is not only a game changer, but also super easy. Let's roll. So what do you need? Drumroll please. 3 simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Heavy cream, sweetened condensed milk, and vanilla extract. That's it. Grab a mixing bowl, pour in 2 cups of chilled heavy cream. Yes, chilled. We want that creamy goodness, don't we? Next up, the sweetened condensed milk. We are adding a whole can of this liquid gold. It's the secret to our ice cream sweetness and texture. And trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Finally, the star of the show, a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. It's the aromatic touch that elevates our ice cream to a whole new level. Now for the fun part, let's whip it up. Grab your trusty hand mixer and beat the mixture until it forms soft peaks. This is where the magic happens, folks. Look at that, soft peaks means our ice cream base is ready to transform into a heavenly treat. Pour the mixture into a chilled container. We are talking about a pan or a tub. Pop it into the freezer and now comes the hardest part, waiting. I know, waiting for something this delicious is a challenge, but trust me, it's worth it. And now, the moment we have been waiting for, the grand reveal. Our 3 ingredient ice cream is here, folks. Creamy, dreamy, and oh so delicious. This homemade treat is a masterpiece. And the best part, you made it yourself. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more sweet adventures and let us know in the comments what flavors, twists you'd add. Until next time, keep cool and keep creating in the kitchen. Cheers!